Hi everyone, today I wanted to talk to you about Amazon's Kindle Scribe and wanted to share with you how you can send documents to your Kindle Scribe. So first of all, I am on the home screen, as you can see here. Let's go ahead and navigate over here. On the bottom right hand corner, you'll see more. Go ahead and select that. Then click on Settings. Next, click on Your Account. Now you will see an option at the bottom that says Send to Kindle Email. When sending a document to your email, whichever email address is associated at the bottom of your screen is what you're going to use to send any type of documents. By doing this, so I just used my regular email and sent an email to this email address, sent any PDFs that I wanted to access through my Kindle Scribe. And I can take a moment and share with you, let me just go ahead and go back, what I have had the opportunity of already adding. So if I go to I'm going to go ahead and go to my library. And the scheduler is something that I actually added yesterday. So there you go. Hope that was helpful. Please do like if this was helpful to you and encourage you to subscribe, as I will be adding more videos going forward as I discover great things about this Amazon Kindle Scribe. Thanks so much for watching.